So pag malinaw na sa'yo, ano talaga yung mga goals na uunahin mo? You set a clear plan on what you have to do. So for me, how I do it, I start with non-negotiables. Ano yung dati ko nang ginagawa na alam kong nagwo-work? And then after ng non-negotiables, for my personal goals, better nutrition. Ano yung mga supplements na iinumin ko? Malinaw na yan. Nakaplano na yan. Ilang beses ako magwo-workout per week? Nakaplano na yan. And those are non-negotiables. Next is, if I wanna learn something new related to my goals, to my dreams, to what I want to manifest this year, yan na yung kasunod sa plano. Growth na tayo. So it's like, do I read books every day? Do I attend seminars? Do I go back to US to see Tony Robbins, my mentor? For the professional goals, should I hire more people? Should I build a system? Those are in place already. Lahat yan may deadlines na. And then the third part will be bottlenecks. All the problems that we had 2025 has to be solved 2026. Meaning, lahat ng naging challenges, may plano na ako paano isosolve at paano siya masosolve in a sustainable way. So, nagbibuild na ako ng systems para hindi maulit yung mga naging problema before.